Welcome to the creative life. TCL is a globalized manufacturer of smart products and provider of internet application services. In a world of competitive innovation, a new age dawns. Welcome to the new world experience. Welcome to the creative life. TCL, the global enterprise backed by strong research and development teams, and the reigning choice in Chinese color TV, now launches its D2900 series HD LED TV in India. Screen images come to life on a TCL TV that features an ultra-slim bezel, creating a virtually frameless picture. Enjoy a viewing experience that is 2x the clarity of standard HD TVs. TCL TV applied the latest panel technology that support wide viewing angle up to 178.0 in both horizontal and vertical direction. Support MPEG-2, MPEG-4, H.264, video coding. Resolution support up to 720p on 32 model, and 1920 by 1280 FHD on 40 model. The backlight of the LCD panel adopted the highest efficiency direct LED illumination structure, which provide the brightest and highest contrast level to ensure the true color reproduction. Motion compensation, which predicts frames, and 3D adaptive deinterlacing, which blends frames, offer you nothing short of the best visual experience. Packed with features like 2 USB with 2 HDMI ports for easy connectivity. The Dolby surround sound with integrated speakers guarantee high-quality audio output with the Dolby decoder and smart volume, which eliminates unwanted spikes in audio. It's time for a new era in visual experience. Book your TCL D2900 series TV today.